Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to rename a shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So a clear shipping name helps customer know exactly when to expect their order. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So here we can choose the shipping method. So here we can choose, click on quick rename shipping method. So here we have to configure the rule, so that here I'm giving the rule name as rename express shipping. Okay, so here the rule status is activated. Now the shipping method I am choosing express delivery. So here we can rename, so that here I'm giving like next video delivery order for 2 p.m. like that. Okay, so this will be the renamed name. So before that we can go to the checkout, and here we can see this is the express delivery's name. So after this it will be changed. So click on save and let's see if it is changed or not. Okay, the rule has been created. Go to the checkout section, let refresh. Okay, can see here the express, instead of express delivery name, it is renamed as next day delivery order before 2 p.m. like that. So it is successfully updated. So some carrier managed shipping method may have Shopify naming restrictions. So if a shipping method can't be fully renamed, it's Shopify limitation rather than a next reorder app limitation. So that's it. Now you have successfully renamed a shipping method using the Next Reorder app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.